Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I have a friend with me,
Jin from HYUNJIN.
I'll link her YouTube channel description down below. And today we're gonna do is checking out this knockoff Razer Kraken kitty ears. So let's get right into it. Okay, so you're gonna unbox this and tell me what you think of it.
Okay.
And you can tell the audience what you think of it.
So I'm just gonna you need to show.
It's okay.
It's a bit hard.
Actually, right?
Okay.
I feel like I wanted to help you, but
You can help me plug it in.
you actually it's just.
Oh.
I need to beep that in the video.
It's gonna fall out.
No, it's not gonna fall out.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have you take this off.
There are some accessories inside.
Okay. The accessory includes a micro USB cable and also the audio cable. That's great.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna let him do it because if it's me, I will just rip it out. So I don't wanna
Destroy it.
on someone else's channel. Okay, do you want to try it on first?
No, you could try it on first, but you need to turn it on as well and also connect it to.
I'll get my phone. Or do you want to get your phone? Okay, we can do that.
Okay. So you need to turn it on, and I'm gonna connect it through Bluetooth. And you also have a 3.5mm jack, so you can actually, if you're gonna use 3.5mm.
Does this light up?
Yeah, it does actually. According to the ads, I'm gonna link where I purchased it down below. It's actually only 50 ringgit. So yeah, we're gonna check it out and see whether it's worth it or
I'm
not.
gonna do a test.
Yay.
Okay. So how do I will just.
It should be.
Okay.
Oh, there it lights up. It lights up.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try to connect it to my phone via Bluetooth. Hopefully I can find it. Oh, yeah, found it. It's called BT028C. Okay, now it's connected. If you want to play music that you want to play.
Okay.
And then.
So try it on.
Yeah, try it on.
Oh.
You look like those e-girl. No. Yeah, it really does.
Should I play like something? Because it says like bass, right? Should I play something?
Yeah, it's
like
supposed to
bass?
be bass heavy.
Say something.
Hello.
I can still hear it.
So it's not really noise cancellation.
Wait, no, but the volume percentage is like I'll put it half. Wait, let me get to 50%. Okay, it's a bit more than 50% now. Can you say something?
Hello.
I can still kind of tell what you're saying.
So noise cancellation is definitely.
Okay, I'm gonna put it like 100% if I can take it.
I think that's a bit too much.
No, it's quite good.
But you have to go all the way to 100%. You can't hear me. I love the LED strip on the ear. Check out her channel for stuff like this later on.
Do you wanna try it?
I don't mind actually, if it's gonna be super loud. Okay, I'm gonna play something else.
You can hear what I'm listening to.
Yes.
Okay, you can start from the lowest so we can like gradually see.
I need to adjust this.
Yes, so the smallest setting fits for me, but it's not gonna fit for Mark. And you can pick a song. And there's no volume at the moment. So we're gonna gradually see. These 50%. Can you hear me? You can't hear me? At 50%?
I really cannot hear anything. I can hear myself speaking, but I'm pretty sure I'm very loud.
Yes.
This is like around above 50%.
A bit above 50%.
So actually it's pretty great. But the bass is really, really deep. It's really, really deep. But clarity wise, I would say it can be better.
It could
but
be
50
better.
ringgit wise, I think it actually sounds really good. And I love the colorful side of it.
Yeah.
I'm like eager now.
I think he voiced it. So I think it looks pretty cute. If you guys think this looks good on him, give it a thumbs up and comment in the YouTube comment section down below. Tell him he looks cute. Yeah, I like it. And then like the sides change color. So when we turned them on, they were red, but now they are blue.
Yeah,
So
they're like
change colors.
RGB. But I'm gonna take some nice close-up shot and also a darker shot to see all the lighting as well. So stay tuned for that. And I guess that's it for my video. And do you think it's worth it to buy?
Yeah, I would get it actually. Like if you were just gonna chill at home, I mean, I wouldn't wear it out. But if you were playing games at home and you were just chilling, then yeah, sure, why not? I think it's pretty cool.
I actually like it. I'm gonna use it for myself. Although it's pink.
It's fine. It's fine.
I don't mind. Actually, I wanted the kitty eraser Kraken, but then I was like, you know what? This one looks pretty good and looks not bad. I'll actually get it for myself.
What do you guys think?
And leave it down to the comment section, and we'll catch you guys next time. And remember to check out her channel as well. I'll put it somewhere around here. Or maybe above her head. Maybe it's above her head, yeah.
Okay.
And we're gonna have another video where we'll be testing out this headphone
On
as
my
well.
channel.
On our channel.
Yeah, we're gonna play a game. So see you guys.
Bye!